Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add your Google Calendar appointment schedule to your Wix website so people can book a call with you anytime. We need to find the embed code from your Google Calendar. So if you already create your schedule, then like mine, all you have to do is click this and click share and go to website embed, and now you choose how you want to look it, a button with a pop or the inline booking page like in the intro. So I'm going to click and copy the code and done. Now let's go to Wix. We need to make a space on your page first, so I already add a section here by clicking this, and then you go to plus icon and then go to elements and go to search and search HTML like this, and select embed and then select this. Now all you have to do is paste your code and update. Now stretch the box so it fits your layout pretty well, like this one. And that's how it will look on Wix website. And boom, now your Google appointment schedule is live on your Wix site, and all you have to do is hit publish and then you are done. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and catch you in my next video.